I was playing hockey with some friends, and that particular game I didn't have a cage on my face like I normally do, and I was unlucky and a friend's stick hit me in the mouth and totally took out one of my front teeth, left the other front one dangling out just about, almost fell out, and then my other two were they came dislodged, and it was a big mess in my mouth. And so my dentist couldn't see me actually after, so I called Margolian Dentistry, and they were happy to bring me right in. I had the implant put in a little while later, and the others were all capped. They had all sorts of different color options for me, and I just had to they helped me match it easily, and it was a pretty simple process, really. One of the things I thought was really cool is that Dr. Margolian, he always took the time to explain what he was doing to me and why. And I was kind of fascinated by a lot of the stuff he told me, and it made me feel a lot more comfortable with some of the major procedures I was about to have. The fact that he took the time to do that, and that Dr. Sheri does the same thing, again, it's comforting for a patient to know why they're doing what they're doing and stuff like that. It's kind of fascinating too. So.